Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this simple letter H logo design. So first of all, take the polygon tool, press and hold shift key. Now increase the stroke size to 10, align it center. Now take the type tool, click here, press letter H, increase the font size, right click, create outlines, align it center. Now select the shape, select direct selection tool, and make the edges round corners. Now select the letter H, take the direct selection tool, select right hand side top edges and move upwards, bottom left and move downwards. Now select all, go to Windows, Pathfinder, click on minus, right click, ungroup, click here to swap the colors, make stroke none. Now any color you want to fill. For now I just fill red and yellow shade. Your logo design is ready. So make sure you are going to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you so much.